Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the ASI number 8095 wall urn. We have one removed here from the packaging, and here it is. Has some plastic protection here which we'll remove. Okay. Aluminum waste bowl. I would say that this is aluminum. It certainly feels like it. Well, here's the business end of this unit. The 8095 is a wall-mounted urn. Typical clients for this material would be commercial buildings. Casinos will purchase this material. Areas where smoking is permitted on the exterior of a building, obviously, is where we're going to see this. There is information down below this video. Let's take a look at it now. First of all, there's a cut sheet, and let's take a look at that cut sheet. So it's going to give us the overall dimensions of the unit, and let's test those first. Meaning, let's verify them. They've got a 9.5-inch overall width on the back. It's going to be an overall, a little bit tapered down at the bottom. So I'd say they're pretty close to 9.5 there. Yeah, about 9 3/8. An overall height of 9 1/4. We can gauge that on the camera. Doesn't appear to be extremely accurate. I'm going to have to go with closer to 8.5 would be more accurate for an overall height. A projection off the face of the wall, they give us 9 5/8, and let's test that as well. Not that these drawings are typically incorrect, but they do seem to evolve and not get necessarily updated. That projection seems to be fairly accurate, just gauging it from the camera angle here. Fairly accurate, you know, somewhere in the range of 9-inch, I'd say. Weighs about 4.2 pounds, all of the material does. You do have your removable ash receptacle, they call it, about 4.5 tall, about 7.5-inch diameter. And then your flip tray, and that's just literally going to sit inside of the unit. Has these plastic washers there. I'm not sure exactly why they're there. Could have something to do with the manufacturing process that those are added there. They're not indicated, I don't believe, in the extended description, but they are there. Okay. I did have to go back and crimp over part of the assembly on the back. I didn't feel these bowls, these flip bowls, I just crimped these over a little bit further than where they were from the factory, because the flip top was, the flip bowls were not exactly, in my opinion, secured very well. Specification: surface mounted ashtray with flip top. Start over. Surface mounted ash urn with flip top ashtray shall be fabricated of 18/8 stainless, type 304, 22 gauge. Internal waste container shall be aluminum and seamless. Mounting bracket shall be fabricated of clear anodized aluminum. Flip top ashtray shall be removable, and all of it has a number 4 finish. So obviously this portion is aluminum. The bowl assembly is stainless and is of 2-piece type construction. Yeah, obviously that's the case. We've got the bowl inserted down into the mounting bracket. Then you've got the ashtray and then the flip top. The installation, the mounting bracket is secured to the wall with number 10 fasteners, and they say supplied. It's very typical and common for such a sheet to say supplied, and there are no fasteners ever supplied with these, and there are indeed none with this package as well. So please do understand that this data on the tech sheets is not always, not that it's inaccurate, but it's not always up to date and does not always match what's actually shipped. This video is to make clear what is actually shipped and included. Screws are not. The urn assembly is placed into the supporting bracket. For compliance with ADA standards, the unit's to be installed with ashtray top 54-inch maximum above the finished floor if clear floor side reach access is provided, or 48-inch if clear forward reach access is only provided. So 54-inch if you can get to the side and the front of the urn. Drop it down to 48 if you can only get to the side. Otherwise, for general utility, the unit should be installed somewhere at 32 to 45-inch above finished floor is what they're prescribing for that. Operation: ashes are dumped from ashtray into the waste container urn by activating the trigger on ash through. Waste container is emptied manually on cycle determined by maintenance needs. Flip top ashtray is removable for service cleaning. That literally just lifts right out. Okay, so 3 pieces included in this. Below the cut sheet is a just a copy paste of the installation instructions, so there's nothing new there to point out. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the ASI products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the ASI, this is their part number 8095, wall urn, or any other ASI product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.